Hello, back with another tutorial. Okay, so basically I put on a tip with some plasma gel, and then I'm going to go ahead and give it a buff. I'm going to pull out some plasma gel from the Pottle. Okay, I'm just going to add like a small little like wet layer. Then I'm going to cut up some Mylar. This Mylar was pretty thin. I think I got it out of like some gifting packaging. You can find nail art anywhere around the house, right? Then I go ahead and added that. Then I pressed it down a little bit to adhere it to the nail. Then, of course, I zapped it a little bit, with the light to harden it. Then, of course, I filed off the excess. Boom, put that away for later. Then I bevel the edges a little bit because we're going to need it to lay flat, right? Because it is packaging. So then, of course, I come over here and I added the colors for the nail art. Some hot colors for summer. Summer's almost over, so you better get out there. But still loving my hot colors. A little blue, a little yellow, a little orange. I think I also wanted some coral. Boom. Of course, all of this is no new colors because, I feel like we are living in excess right now. So whatever you have right now in your own nail closet is good enough for what you have right now. No sense in running out and getting anything new. If you want a new color, you can just throw in your own Pottle and mix up something new. That's how simple it is. All right, so basically I'm going to do the edges. I'm going to try to like build up the edges, cover the edge of the Mylar. Okay. And then we're going to add this. Okay, well, this is also just a really self-explanatory part now, isn't it? All right, I guess I went in for that orange. Of course, you're going to have a nice like flat head brush if you have one. And go ahead and just keep stacking it up around the sides. And at this point, everything's still wet. So if you wanted to go in there with like a needle or something like that, or what am I saying? I'm sorry. I've been doing nails for a very long time. So when I say needle, I mean nail art tool. Sorry, back in the day, all we had was toothpicks and needles anyway. So go ahead, but I don't want to swirl mine. So I kind of just want the colors just to kind of stack up on their own, and not be so perfect either. All right, so I'm still filling it in, as you can see. Take your time with this part if you like. Like I said, if you wanted to do like the swirlies, that would be cool too, right? Put your own spin on it. So then I guess we're gonna end with the coral, which I think it's from China Glaze. I think I really like this color. I think it says something about the pool. I don't remember the color, but I will try to leave it in the comments. Yeah, I wanted to add it, of course, to the inside because that pink from that Mylar is popping, okay? It is popping. Also, if you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Not this, and you say, oh, now don't be like me, okay? You see that? But yeah, make sure you clean that up because it will be there, okay? After you zap it, it's going to be in your skin. All right, so sorry about my brush. Sometimes I kind of jam my brush into my Pottle and it gets all bent up. So, all right, so you're going to encapsulate everything with the plasma gel or any gel that you deem, if that's your gel, your go-to thing, then go for it. Then we're going to go ahead, and you see that? It's totally encapsulated. No lifted edges. We're going to go ahead and file and do some last-minute buffing. And then we're going to wipe off that dust here. And then I also made some really cool top coat that has some hollow flakes in it. And so I'm going to go ahead and finish the design with that. And I think it's really cool. Kind of like by the pool in space. Hope you guys love it. Thanks for watching.